Can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy AI application to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here you have the feature baby option. These are pretty much you uploading photos of yourself, and you pretty much can see the future and the past. So here you can also go in the AI agent option. You upload a photo of yourself. As you can see here, you can either upload a, if you're a female, upload a female image. If you're male, upload a male image. Then tap on the select my photo option. Will redirect you to the gallery section. From there you can pretty much use the agent feature here, which is it's free. But for these other one, like for the examples you can see here, the AI hairstyle, you're gonna need coins. You can see here, you're gonna need 9 coins, 9 images, not coins, sorry. These are 3 different images as it relates to the pink hairstyle. As you can see, here you have different hairstyles you can choose from. If I do go back, you have different hairstyle, different AI photos options for becoming a kid, which you can use as well. You upload in a photo of yourself, and it will pretty much give you a baby version of that as well. So very easy to use. You have this option here, LinkedIn, which you can use as well, and that's pretty much easy to use as well. So you have the features option, which also have the cool random styles which you can use. You have the AI agent option here, the couple photos option here, you have the feature baby pictures here, which pretty much you uploading a picture of yourself, and it pretty much predicts the future for you. Very simple. Here you have the AI video, turning images or photos into stunning AI videos. So if I do go in or tap on this option here, you only just have these templates which you can use. I would say all you have to do is tap on the template I may be interested in. You don't have to enter any prompt or anything like that, but you just look for what you want. From this section here, you'll only be able to use these. So here you can tap on the try next option, and pretty much can see here you have a lot of different options you can choose from, as you can see here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the results or anything that I've generated on the application will be in the results option, and you pretty much will see everything over here. So as it relates to the subscription, this application is not free, so you're gonna need a subscription to be able to use the application. So if I do tap on the settings option at the top here, you may see Pro, you may see the option to get coins. Either one you tap on, you want to be redirected to their subscription. As you can see here, they offer here the subscription, which is pretty much $60 US, as well. You have a weekly subscription here as well. So I'm not sure as it relates to once you do purchase it, you'll be able to access all of their features. You can see here all of the AI styles, pretty much all of their templates, and all you have to do is pretty much upload an image and you get the results. Very simple. So that's really pretty much it for that application. Very easy to use, and once you're in this section here where you get the subscription, as you can see here also have the 7-day option as well. If you do tap on the special offer, you do get a 7-day option, which is pretty much $60 US. So it will take a while. Once you've done that, tap on the X at the top, and you should be back at the home screen. So very easy to use. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.